Hello everyone, it's a really happy day. We're going to show you some photos at the end of this video what these two used to look like. Time flies by.
Yeah.
Now there's my beautiful baby Sophia. How old are you, Sophia?
5.
Wow. How old are you, Matthew?
6.
You're 6.
How about me, Daddy?
How old are you? 21?
No, 3.
So it's the 14th today.
Yeah,
it's Matthew's birthday.
Yay.
Tomorrow it's her birthday,
Sophia's birthday tomorrow.
which is obviously the 15th. We're going to have a birthday party later,
Yeah.
but we're going to Orban. We're just going to have a bit of pizza. It's just going to be a few of the family. It's not going to be a big party like we
on the
normally have.
16th, it's a fiesta here. Loads of foods.
Yeah, loads of food. So people will be spending lots of money on food.
Yeah, and then alcohol.
Well, not me, but yeah. Are you doing a love sign? That's lovely. But that's not what all of this video is about, is it, Mal?
Yeah.
We've actually unofficially adopted a girl. Her name's Myra. She's 8 years old. Come and sit down, Myra.
Here.
Sit there. She's 8 years old. Now, what I noticed about Myra a while ago was it looked like she was wearing her dad's shoes,
Yeah.
flip-flops. They were massive.
This is my clothes. Oh, this is
Yeah.
not fit to me.
So basically, she lived with her dad, her 2 uncles and a cousin. 3 of them have got strokes, man?
So
2 strokes.
her dad include
Her dad and her
uncle.
uncles got strokes.
Yeah.
Her dad's was having to manage doing her washing and looking after her. Now, when I was first married, I let my wife take my daughter at around about the same age because I couldn't cope. I couldn't look after her like her mother could. And it was the best decision because she got looked after well by her mum. Now this is the same thing with Myra. She's 3 years behind in school. She's in grade 1.
Yeah.
She should be in grade 4.
4.
She's got no uniform. She's got no decent clothes. She's got no decent shoes. And we decided after a lot of deliberation that we'd look after her. We won't try. We will.
She don't want to come back to their house.
She doesn't want to go
So
home.
what then? See?
She wants to stay here
She's
with us.
happy here.
Yeah, she's very happy here.
Are
I
you
don't,
happy
I
here?
don't think she's eaten so much. So,
Nana, apod ka.
Oh, no.
Una.
Nana's been,
Nana, you go. Say hi.
Nana's been shouty.
Hi.
So what we were hoping for is she's literally come here with no clothes. We bought her some clothes. Mel's had some clothes that doesn't fit her anymore,
Yeah,
not for a
give
long
her.
time. These are Mel's clothes. These used to fit Mel when I first met her. So what we're hoping for is a sponsor to sponsor Myra each month for school stuff and treats for school. Like I say, she needs a school bag, clothes, books, pens, pencils. She needs a school uniform, which we can't buy from Ukai because Mel loves the
Because I
Ukai.
noticed to her that she always absent to her school.
Yeah,
class.
and the reason she's 3 years behind is she was always off school because her dad had no money to give her to go to school, or she didn't have the right clothes, or the shoes were no good,
Yeah.
or whatever. So we're hoping to get a sponsor to sponsor her per month. Not a lot, whatever you can afford and maintain, and a one-off, somebody that would donate a one-off to get us some school uniform and backsack, what is it? Rucksack, things like that. Now look, we can do it ourselves over time, but she's going to be back at school before we can get a uniform and different stuff. There's other things we've got to sort out with her as well. So if there's anybody out there would like to sponsor Myra or give a one-off donation to get her some more clothes and, well, everything she practically needs. We'd really appreciate it. If not, nobody's putting anybody's arm up their back. Just keep watching the videos to the end. That'll give us a little bit more money. Or if you'd like to sponsor a video or videos, that will help us out to be able to help Myra as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great fiesta if you're in Naga.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Alcohol.
Lots of alcohol and foods.
Video okay.
Yeah. So it's over to you, Mom.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Arthur Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Myra D., Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination. Big thanks to all of you.